Shoot, I guess you got me.
Come on, killer! The jig's up! A parrot!
I want a cracker.
So for your pet walk forecast today, I was gone last Friday, so these are last week's pets of the week. Our runner-up here is Bailey, a goofy Siamese, kicking a door open from Laura in Federal Way. And last week's pets of the week are this duo, Goodnight Parrot and Max Power. Big kitty, little kitty from Becky in Renton. High five. If you got a great pet photo, go to our website, Q13fox.com, and click on Pick My Pet. In 1 hour, this week's pets of the week. All right, Adam, how's the commute?
I'm curious to know if Goodnight Parrot was an earned name, like Goodnight Parrot, blammo, you know, something. I'm curious. Drivers trying to make, and I'm a bird fan, so yeah, just saying.
You saw it yourself, Robin. The slightest impact was sufficient to instantly reduce them to antimatter. Let that be an object lesson in the dangers of tampering with the laws of Mother Nature.